Hi people. I don't know what week we're on. I don't know if it's week 6, 7, or 8. My healthy habits have certainly gone astray. We are going to tackle the topic of how to kickstart healthy habits to get us all back on track. Needless to say, things are very different than our norm. And all of that combines to make us crave things that are comforting. And I certainly know that I need to get back to a healthier place. Here are a few key tips for kickstarting healthy habits. Number 1, you have to identify your biggest barrier to eating healthy. For me, I'm not snacking because the snacks I have in my house aren't all that exciting. And so I put it off to the point where I'm absolutely starving at lunch and I need something quick, easy, and satisfying. Which brings me to number 2. You need to start small. To make a healthy habit stick, it has to be easy enough that you can do it every single day. So thinking about my personal goal, if I have a healthy snack today, chances are I'm gonna feel better at lunchtime, which means I'm gonna have energy to carry me through the afternoon with another snack mixed in there. So that's a pretty immediate benefit right there. The third and final step, make a plan that you can actually stick to. It's gotta be something that's realistic. Writing it down helps. Maybe you have a family member in the house that can also help encourage you. For me, I'm going to make a healthy snack for the week that I'm actually excited about eating. And the recipe I'm gonna walk you through today are the baked banana nut oatmeal cups. All right, here's where we're at. If you haven't toasted pecans yet, you are going to see how easy it is. So what I have is just a regular pan, no oil in there. Let's do medium heat. We are just gonna pop in our pecans, toast these until they become fragrant. All right, let's get started. Crack these in here and whisk them up. And now I'm gonna mix in these mashed bananas, my milk, so we're doing just the wet ingredients first. Roughly mixed in there. Now we can add in our brown sugar, our oats, 3 cups of rolled oats here. So this is a nice high fiber snack. This actually would be a really yummy just oatmeal recipe. Now what I have is cinnamon, baking powder, and salt. Next up is my vanilla. We need a teaspoon of this. Just give this a mix. Wow, this smells lovely. Last, we are mixing in these pecans, which are still warm from being toasted. There we go. So what we'll do now is just divide this evenly between the muffin tins here and pop it in the oven and let it cook for 25 minutes. This guy could use just a little more. Already look and smell so yummy. I'm just going to pop them in the oven now. 20 to 25 minutes until they're done. You come in for a muffin. 5, 4, 3, 2. They smell amazing. Now the challenge, I have to wait another 10 minutes for them to cool a little bit. Oh, I want this one. They're so yummy. They have about 4 grams of fiber per muffin. You could easily make a double batch if you have a larger household. These are stasher bags, but you can just pop your leftover muffins in here and then just seal it super tight and then pop it in the freezer like this. I should have rethought this eating and talking thing. Be sure to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to EatingWell for more videos. Go ahead and give me a follow on Instagram. Happy cooking, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time on Prep School.